Hello friends, welcome to College of Forestry, Dapoli. This is Professor Patil, Vinayak Patil. I am Associate Professor in this college and I will be conducting your opening course, that is Introduction to Forestry. This is a course under the Department of Silviculture and Agroforestry, as you can see indicated by the acronym SA 111, first year, first semester and first course. So, welcome to the world of forestry. This course is a basic course in which you will get to know about what is forest and what are the origins of forest, how forest originated, how they are distributed on this earth, and how they can be classified. Further, you will learn also how forests are important, what are their benefits and uses for us, and today when we are struggling to cope with the climate change, what is the importance of forests? Like many other resources, forests also are burdened with legalities, and so we will also learn some legal aspects of forestry. Later on, we will look at some organizations which are working for forest conservation, forest preservation, afforestation, and other various activities. We will also look at various industries which are using forest-based resources. What is their history? What are the trends in forest area? How forest area is being changed? How it is being studied? All these things we will cover in this course, which is a 2+0 course. That is, there is only theory in this course. There is no practical. This course has a few objectives which I can word here like after completing this course you will be able to explain the importance of forests and various forest based industries. You will be able to describe and map the world's forests. If you are given a map, you will be able to show there what is the forest, which type of forest exists where, and you will be able to explain the origin of various forests and how different factors are influencing what type of forest is present in which part of the earth. You will also be able to describe and compare forest types of India, which are very detailed, classified, and you will have a very good idea about forest types of India. You will be able to describe and discuss history and trends of global and Indian forestry, because it has a history. This forestry discipline has a history as a theoretical subject as well as a practiced discipline, and you will be able to learn its history and various trends. You will be also exposed, and you will be able to explain about the work that various forestry organizations are carrying out and various awareness programs, conventions for the conservation of forest. For this course, we will be using certain activities and resources. Since this will be a blended course, that is, there will be a mixture of face-to-face classes as well as online learning through this Moodle LMS, and as you can see, I will also engage with you in face-to-face teaching, for which I may use PowerPoint presentations, chalk and board also. Sometimes we will have a flipped classroom in which I will supply you all the resource material which includes reports, maps, videos, documentaries, PPTs under this LMS, and you will study it. That will be your homework, and when you come back I will take in the classroom we will just discuss those things that you have studied. To assess how much you have learned from this course, we will conduct some quizzes through this Moodle LMS, which will basically be have multiple choice questions and some drag and drop activities. Interestingly, there will be also a game, and this game will involve planting right tree in right forest. As you know, forests are getting vanished, and you need to replenish them. You need to replant, reforest them, and for that purpose, you need to plant the right trees in right type of forest. So that will be an interesting activity. This is the introduction of this course, and I once again welcome you